Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to create and edit photo album in gallery. Let's get started. First of all, open your gallery app on your Android phone. It's right here, just click on it. Then if you want to create new album, you can simply click on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then there will be several options for you, and you can click on create album right here, and type the name of the album, for example my album. All right, and you can choose the location of the album. You can choose whether internal storage or SD card, and I'm going to choose SD card. Then after that, you can click on create right here. Alright, and now the album has been created, and this is my new album, and you can tap on it to add items to your album. You can click on add items right here and choose the photos that you want to add to your album, and I'm going to choose photos from InShot folder or album. Just click on the photo like this, and after that you can click on this down button, and you can choose either copy or move, and I'm going to choose move. It means that I'm going to move that items to this album. And alright, the photos have been moved to new album, and if you want to rename the album, you can click on this three dots button, then choose rename like this, and you can you can click on rename after you type new name to your album. Alright guys, that's how we can create and edit photo album in gallery. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.